Here is a typewriter desk I got off the side of the road, and I'm going to fix it up and make it look all beautiful again. So if you want to see how I do that, just keep watching. First things first is fixing all the dings and dents and scratches with Bondo. Now I'm going to take the back off so I can later wallpaper it. Time to take this god-awful hardware off. Here I am sanding down all the surfaces with a 120 grit sandpaper. You want to make sure you tape off all your drawers, especially when you're spraying. Now here I am putting the first coat of primer on. And this is the first coat of the actual paint color going on. Now here I am wallpapering the back. I think taking the tape off after I've painted something is probably my favorite thing to do. Now I am staining the top and the inside of the typewriter desk. Now I'm installing some hooks that you can hang some coffee cups from. And here it is, the new and improved coffee bar. Thank you so much for watching.